Hi everyone, it's George from At Beyond Earth Buckle Up with another thrilling galactic adventure. At the heart of the galaxy MCG 033404, the Hubble Space Telescope and Chandra X-ray Observatory captured a striking image showing three distinct bright spots. Two of these spots are supermassive black holes glowing brightly as they convert in falling matter into energy, visible as active galactic nuclei. Separated by about 300 light-years, these black holes are the result of a merger between two galaxies. A third bright spot is a gas cloud, while a blue streak may be a jet fired from one of the black holes blazing across space. For more captivating galactic discoveries and in-depth explorations, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel at Beyond Earth Buckle Up. Remember to take care of one another and always keep looking up.